Good morning, class. So today we will be discussing about magic squares. Last time I already gave you the overview about magic squares, but today we will be dealing about the rules. Okay, so for example, we have here a 3 by 3 3 by 3 magic square. So there are 3 rules in making a magic square. Wherever you are in the magic square, if you are here, you always move top right. Okay, so if you're here, you move top right. If you're here, you move top right. You're here, you move top right. Okay. Okay, that's the first rule. Okay, that's the first rule. Second rule. Second rule, if you're here, as you can see kanina, this part is blank. Okay, wala. So if you're here, imagine that there's always a box on your top right. Okay, top right. So you move over there and you will go down over here. Okay? Ganon. If you're here, you move over here. Ito. Imagine that there's a box here and you will move over there. Okay? Ganon. And you go on. Okay. Next rule. Second rule is imagine that there's a box on the top right corner. Top right of the corner. Okay. Then your next rule, your third rule is, and for example, there's a number here and you're over here. Of course, you cannot move top right. Tama. You cannot move there. So, you must go down here. Then you go on to the left. Then go down. Then imagine there's a box here. You go here. Then you go there. Okay? So let's have a concrete example of these rules so that it will be easier for you to understand. Ayan. So, always remember to start on the top center. Top center is here. So, we will put one here. Since it is on the top center and on the top left is, you just need to imagine that there's a box here. Okay? There's a box here. And then you will go down on the corner. So, you will write 2 here. Then again, imagine there's a box over here and you will go on this corner. Okay? Then, since there's a number 1 already here, so you cannot go top right, you will need to go down your right 4 here. Then go on with your rule number 1, which is move top right. So that is 5 and this is 6. Then you go down. Since this is a corner, you go down, so you will write 7 here. Then imagine that there's a box over here and you will move on this corner. So this is 8. Imagine there's a box on the top right and you will move down here. Okay, so that is your magic square. Now let's see if this rule works. If the vertical and horizontal lines and the diagonal lines are all equal. So this is 15, this is 15, this is 15, this is 15, and this is 15. Also, this is 15, 15, and 15. So that is a magic square. So let's try another example. Starting with a different number. Okay, we will start with a different number. We will start with a different number. So let's have this magic square. 3 by 3 pa rin. And so let's start with 5. Okay, 5. If that is 5, then since always start with the top center, then move over here, then go down over here. We have 6. Imagine there's a box over here, then we move on this corner, so we write 7. Then since there's a number here, rule number 3, you need to go down, then go on with your movement, top right, 9. Then this is a corner, so you need to go down. Then imagine there's a box over here and you are going to this corner, so that is 12. Imagine there's a box on this part, so you need to go down over here. So let's see if the sum of the diagonals and the vertical lines and horizontal lines, vertical lines and horizontal lines are equal. So 12 plus 5 is 17 plus 10 is 27. 7 plus 9 is 16 plus 11 is 27. 8 plus 13 plus 16 is equal to 20. Plus 6 is equal to 27. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21 plus 6 is 27. 10 plus 11 is 21 plus 6 is 27. 5 plus 9 is 14 plus 13 is 27. 12 plus 7 is 19 plus 8 is 27. Let's check the diagonal. 8 plus 9 is 17 plus 10, that's 27. So it works. So let's try if the rule will work on a 5 by 5 magic square.